The coronavirus pandemic and the lockdown that followed has had a significant negative impact on the overall global economy and the job market. Many companies and businesses have closed, and many of them are looking to cut down their operations or reduce their workforce in the near future. So, how do we prepare ourselves for a ever changing and ever evolving workplace and marketplace? Forbes.com published a recent article talking about the 8 job skills that will be in high demand in a post coronavirus world. And I'm going to talk about those 8 skills in detail in this video. Number 1, adaptability and flexibility. One thing is for sure, there won't be any jobs for life in a post coronavirus world. Everything is going to be short term or temporary. So we need to be prepared to take up short term jobs in the form of contract or part-time jobs or even freelancing. There's going to be significant competition to full-time jobs. So we need to be adaptable and flexible to the demands of this new workplace. Number 2, tech savviness. We are currently living in a hyper-automation age, that is the age of artificial intelligence and automation. It has been predicted that over the next 3 years, about 50% of transaction-oriented jobs will be taken over by bots or machines. And the future of work lies in human and bot collaboration. So the sooner we learn to engage with these technologies, learn to use these technologies, the better off we are. There's going to be high demand for professionals who have high proficiency in technologies like artificial intelligence, robotic process automation, data science, big data, Internet of Things, augmented and virtual reality, and blockchain. So it's important that we learn these skills, these technologies, and become more and more tech savvy. Number 3, creativity and innovation. There's never been a shortage for creative and innovative professionals, and it's going to remain the same or even more. There's going to be more demand for such professionals in a post-coronavirus world because new problems will arise. Companies like Merck, for example, a producer of luxury cars, has now resorted to making breathing aids in order to help coronavirus patients. So when companies like Merck are adjusting or customizing their business process as individuals and professionals, we should do the same. We should learn to adapt to this new changing, ever evolving workplace and constantly try to innovate and create new solutions, new products, new services. Number 4, data literacy. There is abundance of data available today in the form of primary data or secondary data. Primary data is the data that we can obtain directly from, let's say, customers via surveys or from point of sale systems, which actually help us understand the amount of sales that has happened at different points of time and what type of products have been purchased. So when you have so much of data available, it's important that you learn how to understand this data, analyze, identify insights, and then make decisions based on those insights. So data literacy is critical to being successful in a post-coronavirus world. Number 5, critical thinking. Critical thinking is a process of objective evaluation of data or facts prior to making decisions. Critical thinking is a skill that's very helpful when it comes to diagnosing a problem, identifying root causes. For instance, in today's world, we are bombarded with lots of information, lots of messages via WhatsApp, via social media, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. And many of these sources of information are not verified. So we tend to make decisions based on 1 or 2 pieces of information which could end up being fake news. So if you are a critical thinker, you would evaluate the validity of those sources and then make an objective decision based on looking at multiple sources of information rather than relying on one. Number 6, coding and digital skills. Software development or coding has always been in demand, and it will be more so because the the world is going to be more and more digitized. The world is businesses and are going to leverage digital technologies, right from web and mobile technologies to CRM solutions, customer relationship management solutions, ERP, enterprise resource planning solutions, robotic process automation solutions. So there's going to be a huge plethora of technologies that are going to be used by companies, and likewise there's going to be demand for people who know these technologies. At the same time, digital marketing solutions or processes like SEO, search engine optimization, social media marketing, these are going to be skills that will be in high demand because the world has become virtual. There's going to be less physical contact when you compare the pre-coronavirus and the post-coronavirus world, and there's going to be more, the world is going to be more virtual. Businesses are going to interact with their customers more virtually. Number 7, leadership. As the world becomes more and more virtual, you will end up working in teams that are global in nature. You will be interacting with people across the world, but all virtually, and most of it virtually. So it's leadership skills, which is essentially inspiring team members to get work done, to work towards a common goal. This skill is going to be in high demand because you will have to figure out how to work effectively in a virtual team. So leadership, people management and collaboration skills, which are all tied together, these are skills that are in high demand. And finally, emotional intelligence, which is again tied to people management. Emotional intelligence has 4 dimensions to it: understanding self or understanding emotions, managing self or managing our emotions, understanding others, feelings and emotions of others, and finally managing relationship with others. So if you are able to get all the 4 dimensions addressed, then you will end up having a high EQ and you will be in high demand in the marketplace. So to summarize, the 8 job skills that were identified by Forbes as the ones that will be in high demand in a post-coronavirus world are adaptability and flexibility, tech savviness, creativity, data literacy, critical thinking, digital and coding skills, people management, and emotional intelligence. And above all, it's important to understand that we need to be committed to a lifelong of learning. World Economic Forum did a study and they found out that every 5 years about 35% of skills that are deemed critical today will become obsolete, which means we need to constantly reskill or upskill ourselves every 5 years. So why wait? Let's get into that mode of learning and upskilling and reskilling ourselves. Let's adopt a growth mindset. Let's not live with a fixed mindset where we believe that we know everything. So this is how I would like to conclude. We need to adopt a growth mindset and constantly reskill and upskill ourselves and try to develop and hone the 8 job skills so that we are ready for a future, a post-coronavirus workplace. Thank you.